Hey guys, what's up? And today in this video we're going to be making an avatar command. This to demonstrate how arguments work in slash commands. This will probably be a pretty short video, so yeah, let's get into it. So it's still a utility command, so we can go ahead and just do avatar.js. And then like last time, we're going to import our command from Sapphire framework. Now we just do class avatar command extends command. Do our constructor, which takes our context and options. And then we want to use our spread operator, so the previous options are there. And we're changing the name to avatar and the description to get the user's avatar. Yeah, that should be good right now. So let's go ahead and overwrite our register application commands function, which takes a registry. Now we can do registry.register chat input command. And then we could do command.setName, which is going to be this.name. And set description, which is going to be this.description, like so. But this time we're adding an argument, so we're going to want to add something extra. So let me just reformat this to make it look neater. And then we're going to do .add user option, because it's a user we're adding. There's a bunch of other functions like add string option, all that fun stuff, but today we just want a user. And we're going to set the name of this option to user. And we're going to set the description for the user to check. And we're not going to require this option to be filled out, because if they don't provide an option, we're just simply going to return the interaction.user. Okay. This is HostingBot, a cheap, fast and reliable hosting provider. They provide a range of affordable VPS plans to suit your hosting needs. And it gets even more affordable. Use code REVELATIONS at checkout, 30% off every month. If you're still in doubt, look at all these happy customers. So we want to now overwrite our public chat input run, which takes an interaction. No, we don't want the public, sorry. I do TypeScript too much. But yeah. Let's go ahead and import our attachment builder from discord.js, because we will be needing that to send our avatar. So we're going to create a new variable for user, which is going to be interaction.options.getUser, which you want to make sure this string matches this string. If it's null, or undefined should I say, then it would be interaction.user. Now we can create a new attachment with our attachment builder. And in there we will pass user.display avatar URL. We're going to set the extension as PNG and the size to 2048, like so. And then we're just going to simply return interaction.reply. The content is going to be avatar of user.username. And then we want to pass our attachment through to files. And then finally, we just want to export our avatar command class. And now that should work. Let's go ahead and test it. Oh, I keep forgetting I changed token. Give me a moment to fix that. Alright, that should be fixed now. Yep. Let's test. So here we are in the testing area. You can go ahead and run the avatar command with no argument, and that returns my avatar. And now we can go ahead and do avatar with Stasium as the argument. And we have his avatar. And then let's just do the bot's avatar for fun. And there it is. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.